Hey guys, my name is Samuel and you're watching TechnoRight. What's going on guys, welcome to TechnoRight where technology is done right. So in today's video I'm going to teach you on how to install Ubuntu onto your Windows machine on a virtual workstation. Okay, so it'll be on a virtual machine where you can use it like a daily normal computer, so it's very efficient. Okay, so let's get straight into it. So first off, you're going to need two software. Okay, you're going to need this Vmware Workstation Pro, so you're going to click on download here where you'll get the software. Okay, this link will be in the description guys, so just click on it and you'll be redirected to this page. Click on download and you'll have the software. Download, install it, and you're done. Okay, next you're going to go on to this page right here. The link will be in the description also, and you're going to click on download here. Okay, and then it will say thank you for downloading, and the download should start here. Let this download. This is your Ubuntu Iso file. Okay, it's 2.6 gigs. So I'm going to cancel this since I already have the file. Please don't cancel yours and let it download. Finish. Okay, so once you have both of the files, you're going to open up your Workstation Pro. I'm currently using version 15.5 guys, so yeah, it's a version lower, but there shouldn't be any major changes. Okay guys, so we're going to start. We're going to create a new virtual machine. Click on that. Okay, and here just leave it at typical, and here please select I will install the operating system later. Click on next, and here you're going to click on Linux and you're going to click on Ubuntu 64-bit. Next. Okay, once you do that, you're going to save the virtual machine. So you're going to click on where you're going to save the virtual machine. I'm okay with saving it in my documents, so click on next, and here we're going to allocate the drive space. So recommended size is 20 gigs. I'm going to leave it at 20 gigs. Okay, and I'm going to click on store virtual disk as a single file. Okay, and click on next, and then here, okay, this is the big deal guys, we're going to click on customize hardware. Okay, so once you click on your customized hardware, you can set all the specifications you want for your virtual machine. Okay, so as recommended, it says 4 gigs RAM, so I'm going to bump it up to 4 gigs of RAM for my virtual machine, which is 4096 megabytes. Moving on to the processors, if you have a slow machine, I would recommend you 2 and 1, so you have 2 processor cores. Minimum should be 2 guys, please don't go lower than 2. And if you have a high-end system, I would recommend putting 4 and 2 here, so you have 8 cores. Okay, so this is for systems like Ryzen 5 2600 and higher. Okay, and if you have like a lower end system, I would just recommend to go with 2 or 4. Okay, so 8 would be the max that I would recommend. Okay, then going on to the next, you can see a new CD DVD SATA. Okay, you're going to click on use ISO image file, and you're going to browse to the file that you downloaded earlier, the Ubuntu file. Okay, and click on open. Okay, once you click on open, you're going to click on close and click on finish. Okay, once it finishes, you have this screen. You have your Ubuntu 64-bit right here, and you have a button right here that says power on this virtual machine. You're going to click on that, and this will power on your virtual machine. So from here on out, we will be installing Ubuntu like how you install it on a new computer without an operating system guys. So it's just the basic operating system install. That's an interesting sound. Okay, so we'll be here on this page. We'll be landing on this page. You're going to click on English. Okay, and you can go ahead and try Ubuntu, but we're not going to do that. We're going to straight away install it. So you're going to click on install Ubuntu. Make sure it's in English and English here. You can change your keyboard layout if you want, but I'm going to leave it in English US. Then click on continue, and then here I'm going to click on normal installation, and for the other options we're going to click on download updates while installing Ubuntu and install third-party software for graphics and Wi-Fi hardware. Okay, click on continue. Okay, so now it will say it's going to erase the disk and install Ubuntu. Bear in mind, guys, this is only going to be erasing the 20 gigs that you have allocated for it. So it's not going to touch any other data on your drive except for the 20 gigs of free space. Okay, so you're going to click on install now and click on continue. Okay, so here it's selected my correct region. I'm going to click on continue, and for the name you can just customize it to any name you want. I'm going to leave it at TechnoRight. The I must be small. Okay, and we're going to choose a password. You can put any random password you want. I'm just going to put some random password, and I'm going to put login at automatically because I don't want to enter my password every time I turn on the machine. From here on out, it will install and copy all of the files. It will take a while, so just be patient, and I'll be back once everything is installed completely. Okay guys, and we are back. So after the installation, it prompted to restart the computer, so we're going to restart now, which in theory it will restart only the virtual machine. So here you're going to hit enter. It will automatically remove the install media, and it will put into Ubuntu. Okay guys, so once you boot into Ubuntu, you'll be greeted with this page prompting you to sign in. I'm going to skip sign in for now, and we're going to click on next. I'm going to click on no, don't send in system info, and I'm going to turn off this, make sure it's turned off, and click on next, and you can click on done here. Okay, so after that, okay, so I've searched the software updater here guys. I'm going to click on it, and it will start checking for updates. And you can see we have 303.6 MB to download. So you're going to click install now, and it should start installing the update. So once the update is installed guys, it will take a while. Once it's installed, you can restart your machine, and your Ubuntu virtual machine will be ready for use. You can go ahead and use it like a normal Linux based system. So that's about it guys. Stay tuned to the channel, as I'll be uploading more Linux based tutorials, Ubuntu based tutorials, and I've created playlists guys for Windows and Ubuntu tutorials, so you can navigate easily for the preferred operating system tutorial. So basically that's about it guys. If you have any other questions or any other problems, please put them down in the comments below. And I think that's about it. So please rate, comment, and subscribe. And I'm out.